All eyes on Doge. Big run up. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Up. Movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.69. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody, Kriss here. Welcome on a Tuesday afternoon. How is everybody doing? Got some green in the crypto market. Little tentative, bumpy road, like I said, going to be a bumpy road. So today's theme is the bumpy road. But there's a lot of talk going on about what is going to happen. Is it tonight with Trump's address to both houses of Congress, of which AOC and other Democrats are not going to attend? What? Everybody's supposed to show up for this. And they're like not attending. Losers. Anyway, I'm starting earlier today because we got a lot to cover. There's a lot going on. Plus on Tuesdays, I cannot go later because I always have Tuesday night dinners that I need to get to. So I'm starting earlier today. Plus some of you who are over in the EU and, over there like me on to be a little earlier every now and then because it gets late for you guys. So I'm here as well. But yeah, there's a lot of talk going on right now about Friday's crypto summit, which I covered in this morning's video, as well as tax cuts. What? Tax cuts? And Charles Hoskinson wants to help out Elon again, or at least offer to do so with X money, X payments. What's that? A lot to cover, a lot going on. How's everybody doing? Let's get into it. Dogecoin's over 20 cents yet again. Someone in the comments, of course, this morning said, no, Kriss, you're wrong. Tariff started and Doge dumped. And I'm like, well, it didn't dump any lower than it was last Friday. And so it's all priced in. We didn't see it go any lower, right? There was a little dip there. Anybody buying at 18.3, 18.5 right in there? That was a nice little juicy dip for buying. And we're back up over 20 cents. So like I said, sideways, bumpy road, right? They're going to be ups, going to be downs. But the tariffs were all priced in because of the fear. It was the fear of the tariffs. It was the fear of the actual news, right? It's buy the rumor, sell the news. Well, it's also sell the rumor and then let the news happen. That's what happens on the downside. And that's what we had. So here we are, bumpy ride going forward. This is what we got going on for today. A lot to talk about, though. Let's get into it. Dogecoin first. Breaks critical support after 13% decline. Sell-off extended into Tuesday's session. But that was just the dip at the worst. I mean, if you just point to the very, very bottom of the dip before everything just came right back, this is an extent. I mean, look, we're up like almost 10% from the dip. So that isn't like dropping and staying low. No, that's a dip. And of course, it's manipulation. We can go onto the Bitcoin liquidation charts and we can see $350 million of Bitcoin liquidations, 190 million of ETH, and even Doge had $15 million in Doge. I mean, that's what these wild price swings are. Up to 20 cents, takes out the shorts, dips all the way down to 18.2, 18.3, takes out the longs, and then comes back up and takes out more of those early shorts that thought, like that guy in the comments, tariffs weren't priced in, prices going lower because of the tariffs. Not listening to me, obviously. Obviously not listening to me. So here we are back at 20 cents again. Where we've been. It's going to be a bumpy road, guys. It's going to be a bumpy road. Can Dogecoin price quintuple? Quintuple. 5x rally? That gets us to $1, doesn't it? Quintuple. So the word of the day is quintuple. Quintuple. The word of the day. Because I would love to host a $1 Dogecoin party. Yes, I would love to host that. Let's see if we can make that happen. Quintuple is the word of the day. But what's this? Cardano founder offers Elon Musk help with Doge payments? What? What is that about? Well, we had our friend Girl Charles. And last night he says, hey, Elon Musk, you want to fix up Doge and make it the standard currency of X? I have the old Bitcoin 2 roadmap I wrote up years ago. So Charles, of course, was with ETH back in the day. And there was all this thing about forking Bitcoin. Of course, Roger Ver and all those guys, they were like Bitcoin Cash. And then there was Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. If anybody you don't know what Bitcoin SV is, that's Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, yet another fork of Bitcoin that happened 10, 12 years ago, way back when. But Charles had a plan that he wrote up that he called Bitcoin 2. Of course, nothing ever happened with it. Why he's dragging that up now, I don't know. Dogecoin is its own thing. It's not Bitcoin 2. But then Charles followed up. So it wasn't just that. Come on, Dogecoin. You know you want a little retrofit, little bit of sharded, useful proof of work to run that expensive Grok. Some state channels for ultra low cost payments for tipping X posts, some full secure smart contracts running on Utexo, which would be a Cardano blockchain. So why would Dogecoin, which has its own blockchain, want to use Cardano? So this is just Charles trying to stir things up, trying to make himself important, right? Trying. I think Cardano is going to be fine on its own. Price spiked up again today because it's going to be in the crypto reserve, right? The U.S. Crypto Strategic Reserve. It's in a good position now. It's in a very good position. That's not happening. I can fix that. No, Dogecoin is fine. The Dogecoin Foundation has been working on this. We've got the House of Doge now, and that is all coming along. We don't need Charles. But that's what that was about. That was Charles just trying to stick his nose in. Remember when he invited Elon Musk out to Colorado and Elon's like, not going. He's like, no, not going to Colorado. But that's what that was. But what's the bigger picture right now? The bigger picture is this. The Strategic Crypto Reserve announcement will not only announce that gains on crypto held over 12 months are non-taxable, but the capital gains tax levied on crypto will be able to be paid in crypto? What? What's this? So this is all one of those things that could happen out of the summit and what could drive this crypto strategic reserve, and how something like Dogecoin could actually play a very important part of this. This is how the USA will acquire their strategic crypto reserve via collection of short-term capital gains tax payments in crypto. So what this would be is this wouldn't be like no tax on US crypto. What it would do is say if you held the crypto for at least 12 months, that crypto would have no capital gains tax. But if it's a short term, in other words, you hold it for less than 12 months, that's like you're swing trading Cardano, right? Then those gains would be subject to capital gains tax, but you could actually use crypto to pay that tax. That's pretty interesting. And then when you pay that tax, that crypto that you use to pay goes into the reserve. Only certain cryptos will be allowed, likely Bitcoin. No, not Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not a USA-based crypto. That doesn't fulfill Trump's vision of supporting the United States. Or he could just say, we're not going to use that USA thing anymore. We're just going to make our strategic reserve Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, ADA, Solana, and maybe add in Tether as a means of paying. Like just use the stablecoin. That's what this guy, Lord Durden, is saying. And then there's the part that I really don't like. This will not apply retroactively because I already sold a bunch and took a bunch of profits earlier this year. I want no tax on what I sold. I don't want to pay that capital gains tax. But only to future gains after the bill is passed. So this is this guy's idea. Kind of interesting idea out there. But there's a lot of talk going on right now across X about what are these tax breaks going to be? What's going to be the tax breaks? What is Trump going to do? And this is the one on crypto, seems to be popular. Why it's bullish. Tax-free long-term holdings equals maximum incentive to buy and hold crypto. Prices will soar as hodling spikes. Paying taxes in crypto legitimizes it as money, boosts adoption. US gets a reserve without spending a dime, and reduces the sell pressure at the same time. All kind of makes sense. Again, this is just an idea, not what's really happening yet. Is that going to come on Friday? There are a lot of people saying Friday is going to have huge news coming out of this crypto summit, and this crypto tax break thing may be a part of it. Which is why buying the dip this morning was probably a good idea. We're going to have a bumpy road going forward. There may be more dips, most likely will be, because again, there's the leverage plays up and down, up and down. But that was a sweet dip this morning. If you bought some this morning in the 18s, like I did last Friday, you're sitting pretty good. I got no free cash right now. I spent my paycheck last Friday on crypto, and I got to wait till the middle of the month before I could buy again. But I will buy. I'm bullish. I'm buying. I don't know where the bears are today, but there were a couple of them in the comments this morning, and I was like, nope, you're wrong. Nope. I think there are probably still some that are thinking this whole crypto market is still going to dive down. And yes, this whole economy thing is still kind of rough, right? Not only the tariffs, increasing percentage of a recession, and what's going to happen with the FOMC meeting in a couple weeks, where the Fed might lower rates, might not, might raise rates. I mean, who knows what's going to happen there? So there is a lot going on there. But what is a US-made cryptocurrency? Not Bitcoin. We have XRP, Solana, Doge. Now this is in order of market cap. XRP, Solana, Doge, USDC, ADA, except ADA is now flipped. Link, AVAX, XLM, SWI, HBAR, Litecoin, BCH. It's interesting. BCH is on this list, but Bitcoin is not. Interesting. Uniswap, Near, Aave, apt ondo algo render filecoin. This is what's on Miles's list here. There could be others. I don't know how they're going to determine which are the US based or not, and whether that's still a part of the thing or not. But I like Dogecoin being on here. There's Doge right there. Aave had a big thing going today because there was some other thing about DeFi, and Aave is a DeFi platform, so it pumped today. And Crypto Jack says, look, we have the final liquidity grab before the massive breakout. Bitcoin is going to go parabolic. That's what this dip is. Similar to other dips that we've had with Bitcoin, this could be another one. The final liquidity grab. Didn't completely fill the so-called CME gap. Some say, I touched it, good enough. I don't know. I don't follow those things. That doesn't, it's all about leverage. It's all about taking out leverage with those big dips. It doesn't necessarily have to trade all the way back down to where it was before. And we've seen that before. And AO says Bitcoin is ready for a huge bull run. Again, very similar to 2023. Downward action, spike up, kind of, you know, trading around a little lower, drops, and then we have a big dip, starts to move sideways up a little, and then we run. We could have that again happen in 2025. Same thing. Same thing. So that's what this is looking like. Dogecoin still at 20 cents. We will see whether we hold that during the live stream today. I certainly want to get into the chat and see what you guys are talking about. No SpaceX today. No Starship test launch. That's going to be tomorrow, it looks like. So yesterday's got scrubbed back at 40 seconds. They started counting down again, got to like 33 seconds, and then they held it again. I didn't see in the news exactly what it was, but they're going to try it again tomorrow. So we're going to show that tomorrow. So come back tomorrow if you want to see the Starship launch while we're also talking crypto, Dogecoin, all of that. But for now, this is what we're looking at for Doge. A lot of positive news. Nothing new on the House of Doge front today. Not that I saw. So we wait. But this other thing with Charles Hoskinson and trying to help out, maybe not. No, thank you. Still going to be a bumpy road. The final shakeout before the final shakeout. Exactly, right? And it could happen again. We could have another big dip that goes back down to 18 cents. We'll go back up to 20 again. Still in the cards. That's crypto trading. It doesn't always go up. There are always dips along the way. Hi, Max. How are you? Minimum 100 likes. But we are also going to have a Dogecoin giveaway later in the stream. And you know what? We don't only have 3 giveaways today. No, we have 4. We have 4 giveaways today. Because Hype donated from yesterday's win to today's giveaway. So now we have 4 today. 4. Remember that was CZ, right? That was CZ and Binance. 4. And then he went to prison. But you know, he's out now. Small little kind of relaxation, you know, last summer. Markets weren't doing much anyway, so why not just hang out in prison for, you know, a few months? So 4, right? 4. Is Bitcoin up 5%? Well, it's up 2.6 from 8 o'clock last night, 2.6, but it is moving up nicely. If we look at crypto bubbles, what does crypto bubbles say? The crypto bubbles, we have a mix, green and red. Aave is big, like I talked about. That's that whole DeFi thing. Bitcoin 2.7. So not quite at the 5 yet, but it is moving up 88,500 now, making another run back to 90K is Bitcoin. ADA is up to 93 cents. It's up 9%. HBAR has been running as well, up to 24.7 cents. Yes, HBAR is now higher than Doge. But this is all based on that whole made in USA thing as well for HBAR. And of course, XRP right around 250, up 4.5%. But Doge is good. Doge is hanging out. Your thoughts on this? Why does it seem like Elon is moving away from the crypto Doge? Well, it's all that Department of Government Efficiency, Peter. That's what he's concentrating on now, not really involved in the crypto stuff. For now, he's very busy doing that, which is big work. I get it. I think that's only a temporary thing. And by the fall, I think he's going to be back into crypto, X money, all of that. And we just have to be patient. That's what I'm being. I'm being patient about it. A lot of people hate Elon, though. We had a number of charging stations that got demolished yesterday here in Massachusetts. There's a lot of anti-Elon people here in Massachusetts. A lot. Yes, how about those likes? They're very slowly coming up. Yeah, we're not going to have a giveaway for a long time if that's the response. Elon's recent X post with him and the chainsaw. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Take me home. Bumpy Dogecoin roads, Harry. Bumpy. A quintuple. 5 giveaways. Yeah, that's a good idea, Ryan. We might do that. We got 5 giveaways. I think we might be able to make that happen. Good idea. Quintuple. Word of the day. Yep, Hype is donating back to the community. Keep giving away the giveaways, right? Exactly. And Lucifer has sent more Doge for the giveaway. I think I missed that. I'll look at it later. Lucifer. Yes. More. Keep the gravy train or Doge train rolling, right? Keep it rolling. Charles Hoskinson will definitely be helping shape the industry, Ada. Weldy, yes. But man, is it slow. I mean, he just works in slow motion, doesn't he? Yeah, we're not doing trivia questions anymore, Frank. I used all those up. Now it's just random. Rigged, as some say, but I think I've proven that it is truly random. Rocket launch? Nope, not today, F1. We'll see tomorrow. Tentatively scheduled for tomorrow. I know. I tried to find a picture with a lot of potholes, Klondike. Tried to find a picture with lots of potholes. But you got the picture. It's a bumpy road. XRP, most potential. Are you just trying to like nudge me to start going off on XRP again? In bed with the banks, the politicians. Yeah. Yeah. Hype, you want to win again? Hype wants to win again. You want to win your Dogecoin back? Destroying charging stations. Exactly. Liberal logic. That's it. That's where I live. I'm surrounded by the libs here in Boston. Yep. They're all around me, Anthony. And it's amazing. A lot of my dear friends too. And I just can't believe the stuff now that they're saying about all of this. Last 4 years, they've been living high with Biden, right? And now it's like, nope. I didn't reply, but I did acknowledge, right? And I'm acknowledging again. Thank you, Hype. Appreciate it. So one of the giveaways today is a re-give from Hype. Quintuple. Ooh, we got another vote for quintuple. I know the likes should be done but when the opening song ends, but they're delayed today on a Tuesday. Delayed. Hello, Blake. Keeping it rolling. A like and a subscribe, Charles reminds. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I think most of you guys are already subbed, but some of you may not be. Making that run toward 20K subscribers. 20K, that'd be nice. Not that I really follow the sub count like others on YouTube. I don't have like a rolling number like on my screen, anything like that. In fact, I usually forget to ask people to subscribe because I'm so into what's going on. But thank you. Kumar needs to see the dance.
All eyes on Doge. Big runner. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big runner. To the moon. Keep going up. Keep going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge.
I would probably hurt myself if I tried that. I would probably hurt myself. I don't know if I can do that, but if the dollar Dogecoin party, maybe that'll be the chance. But we'll all do it because we've all seen it enough times. We could do it like as a line dance, right? Just line dancing. Dogecoin dollar party. Why is ADA Cardano so good and secure, Weldy? Weldy, you are a ADA maxi, aren't you? Just shilling ADA. ADA. Maybe because Hoskinson has been working on it for 10 years, but it still doesn't do much. SNEC is probably the best thing going on Cardano as far as I know. It's like, what else does it do? Who's working on it? Who's building on Cardano? I have no idea. I have no idea. Rigged, randomly rigged. Yeah, I talked about it, Boss Mac, like 10 minutes ago. I covered the whole Charles Elon thing. Yep. At what price when you start picking up profit from Doge again? You mean selling on profits? Oh, we got to be way up this time. I'm already booked profit to get this. So now it's like, all right, now we're talking. We need like big price, 69, maybe 69 again. We'll look at that. You do hold some Doge. Okay, Weldy. Cool. You always have to have a little Doge in your portfolio, at least. Even if you're an ADA or Bitcoin maxi, you should still have a little bit of Doge. The true colors of my liberal friends, I know. Unbelievable. They've been so sad. They've been so sad on how Zelensky was totally mistreated in the White House. And I'm just like, did you see the entire encounter? Did you watch it all? I don't know. I don't know. Everybody smash the likes. Thank you. 133. Is that your target, Raiden? Nice number, 133, not 169 today. We'll see. We'll see. It is kind of a slow day today. Kirk is back as K-Mac. Okay, Kirk, keep it real. Keep it real, man. That's all I ask. I don't mind a discussion, but just keep it real. That's all. Yes, Klondike. That is true. Looking out for everybody. Although I did have to take a little profits for me and Miss KrissPax. And I told you guys what I was doing for 2 years. For 2 years. I told you guys what I was doing. My whole plan. For 2 years. Many of you didn't live with me for those last 2 years. You weren't here, and you weren't buying at the bottom of the bear market. But that was my plan. All my videos and all my old live streams are all there on my channel. You can go back and you can look at them. I was telling you what I was doing. And then when I finally sold, when the tariff thing really started hitting at the beginning of February, oh, Kriss sold. He bailed out on us. He dumped all his Doge. I never sold all my Doge, and I told you that. I never sold all my Doge. I told you what my strategy was. I'm going to start at the bottom, work my way up, and however much Doge I can save, that's what I'm not selling. That was the plan. I stuck to it. But I get it, right? You all aren't with me every day, every week, for every month for the last 2 years. But if you were, you would have made a lot more money. Because 2 years ago, when we were buying at the bottom of the bear market, we got some juicy returns. But some people come in later. I get it. You want to know when to buy. We're in the bull market. We're still in the bull market. I still believe we're in the bull market. This is a retrace. This is a buying opportunity. And I'm not the only one saying it. That's all I'm saying. 155 for the quintuple. Okay, Raiden. It's going to be slow today. Kind of a slow day. Well, I'm starting earlier too, so maybe the viewership is going to pick up a little bit. Am I buying crypto reserve coins? I'm buying Dogecoin. And if Dogecoin is one of the crypto reserve coins, then yes. I will be adding some more Bitcoin back as well, but right now it's Doge because I think I'm going to get a better return from this point on Dogecoin than I will on Bitcoin. Hey, Kirk, you were mean to me, so I was mean back. That's the way it goes, right? I was trying to be nice. I gave you a couple opportunities, a couple chances, and then you just kept going. And my finger slipped on my mouse here. That's how it goes. But we keep it real. We keep it real, Kirk. We'll be all right. You need a Doge. Everybody needs a Dogecoin shirt. Do you know that, Ed? Everybody needs a Dogecoin shirt. And if you need a Dogecoin shirt, I've got the answer. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? Look, the Kriss Store. Oh, what's this? You need a Dogecoin shirt. Guess what I got? I got Dogecoin shirts. Look at that. A Dogecoin shirt. How about one of those? Cool Doge on it, right? How about one of those? Another cool Doge with money behind it. Very cool. Very cool. A Dogecoin. There's a Dogecoin shirt, Dogecoin hat, Dogecoin mug. You can get women's tanks. You can get men's long sleeve or short sleeve. I got Dogecoin shirts. Link in the description below if you want a Dogecoin shirt. I got some other fun things too, little conspiracy theory stuff. Dogecoin coin, got that. just some fun things. Dogecoin on Mars. You like the Dogecoin on Mars? For those who are thinking about Mars, you could even get one for like in a onesie, right? For a little baby. If you like the Doge, I got some Bitcoin, little Bitcoin stuff, Bitcoin as well, because, some people just need some Bitcoin. But anyway, lots of Doge things for you to choose from in the store. And no, it will not be a giveaway because I don't want to do the shipping. I don't want to get into shipping. I did that with Derek and the souvenir Doge, but I'm not doing shipping. That's just, I don't have time for that. Greg is being very generous on the 5X. If 50 people share this with a friend, I'll send 200 Doge for whatever kind of fun day giveaway. Wow, Greg. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Lots of giveaways coming. Hit the likes, everybody. Hit the likes. We got a great family here. I really, everyone's awesome. Little green candle. It's going to be a bumpy ride, as I said, Doug. Dr. Tom, do you foresee only a few cryptos making it long term? No. That's the thing about crypto. Once you make a cryptocurrency, it's out there. I mean, even the ones that we know are abandoned. I mean, even FTT token, still traded. Even Luna, right? Luna Classic, still traded because traders are traders and they're just going to keep. I mean, eventually exchanges will drop them if they don't keep enough trading volume going. And that happens over time. But because there's so much money still in this space to be made, you're going to have many new blockchain technologies, new angles on how to carve out a little niche in this market. That's going to continue. So it's like any business, right? Starting a business in some some different specialty. Somebody thinks they can make money on it, they'll make another crypto. Lending, borrowing, I guess that shows how much you know about it. Lending and borrowing. I don't know what you must have said something earlier that I don't get at. But lending and borrowing are all financial things that can muck you up, in my opinion. You buy it for yourself. You self-custody cryptocurrency. This is your crypto, right? Self-custody it. Get away from the banks. Own your own finances. That's what we're talking about. I'm not lending my Doge to anybody. I'm not borrowing Doge. I buy it. I hold it. It's mine. I predict when Doge issues refunds from money found by Doge. I don't know what they're going to do. Again, I don't know if they can really issue Dogecoin because the government doesn't have any Dogecoin right now. So, your first 5 posts here on the stream were all about ADA, Weldy. So I took it as you were shilling ADA. That's all that was. Right. Zelensky folded. Just like that. US said, okay, we're just not going to fund your military adventures anymore, right? And it's going to be announced tonight. Exactly. The mineral deal, that's negotiations, right? And Trump played it perfectly. Told Zelensky he didn't have the cards. Come back when you want to talk peace. Because he wanted to keep the money train rolling. Nope. US isn't playing that game anymore. Oh, well. Amateur FX also got his Doge. Again, another confirmation for some people who think I'm not following through. You send me your Doge wallet, I send you Dogecoin. If you win, there are others who sent me their Doge wallet addresses that weren't winners. They did not get Dogecoin. No reasoning. It's tough. They're brainwashed. It's tough. At least I didn't pull a roaring kitty. That guy, I don't know what's going on with him. He shows up every now and then and teases a little GameStop thing and then nothing again. Ugh. I still have a little bit of GameStop stock, just waiting, being patient, waiting for the day. We'll see. Charlotte, I did ask Grok to be crude. He did not disappoint. And that is Grok. But then you had to read it, right? You had to read what he actually said. And it's just like, oh, yeah. Thank you, Grok. Oh. Got some Doge at $19.99 just now. We're going to party like it's $19.99. You were dancing. If you're on your feet and that song comes out, you got to dance. You got to dance. Hi, Andrew. How are you? Doge broke me in. You can make money on Dogecoin. That's all I'm saying. You can make money on Dogecoin. And it outperforms most other cryptos over time. And in especially the short periods when Doge goes on runs. Spent all morning pulling wire in the rain. Mark Cohen, nice of you to hang out here. Yep, May, starting early because I have to end a little early today. It's a Tuesday, and I always have Tuesday nights out. So got to get on the road. Red Bull bought last night. Will Doge be added to the reserve? I don't know what they're going to do yet. I mean, is it going to be the made in the USA approach? Like we talked about earlier, are they going to concentrate on that? But there's no Bitcoin here. Bitcoin is not made in the USA. Not that we know. We can guess, but since the founder is anonymous, we don't know. We don't know. So is it going to be the made in the USA kind of thing that was talked about before? Is it just going to concentrate on XRP, Sol, ADA, ETH, and Bitcoin? That's what came out on Sunday. Will Doge be a part of this? We don't know. Don't know. I asked my Dogecoin if it wanted to go for a walk. It said, such wow, very exercise. But much cardio? No thanks. I did buy at 18.6 cents on Friday. I did buy. And I posted it on X. If you guys don't follow me on X, at KrissPax here, I post my buys. And I posted it on Friday. And there it is. 21,470 Doge at 18.6 cents. So follow me on X. You know what I'm buying. What's Trump going to say about crypto tonight? I think, Justin, I think he's not going to say crypto. I think he's got bigger things to talk about than crypto. That's my guess. I'd love to hear him talk about it, but I don't think he's going to. Saving that for the summit on Friday. Bigger things going on with the border, with Ukraine, Israel, Gaza. I mean, those are big things. Crypto, most people really don't care about the crypto part. Good to see Tim Stebbing calling out the manipulation. I know. And it's what I've been saying for how long, right? It's going on and on. On and on. Exactly. My finger slipped, Kirk. It's exactly what happened. And he'll talk about the tariffs too. Tonight. Absolutely. That's what people want to know about. Yes, my store does ship to many countries around the world. Just check the shipping link that comes up when you're ordering. No shirts in the giveaway today. I'm not shipping shirts. My store ships shirts. I got to be careful how I say that. My store ships shirts. That's tough to say. Send Elon a bunch of onesies. A 14th baby showed up. It was just like, what? A 14th baby. Why not? Oh. Do you take Doge for payment in your Doge store yet? No, the third-party company does not accept crypto yet. So I've talked to them about it. They don't really answer your emails about that. Ain't nobody got time for this. Oh, God. Green beats red all the time. I'm only at 112 likes. Only at 112. Wanted to get 155. Does your store ship its pants too? You're trying. You're trying. Hey, we've got a super chat. Joke smoke. All eyes on Doge. Thank you. And we got another one from Matija. There is one good Roman proverb, divide et impera. I remember this every time I hear debates between Republicans and Democrats. Very, very sad. We have become a divided nation here in the United States, unfortunately. And just about every bill that has come before Congress this session, and what it's been like a month and a half, the Democrats have all voted no on everything the Republicans are trying to do. Even when it's such an obvious thing, in my opinion, they still vote no. So that's what it is. Sad state. That's where we are, though. It's all plain politics, even if it's better for the country. Do you think altcoin reserve is a pick Trump is setting for Congress so he can get the Bitcoin reserve? No, I think he really wants the alts in there. I think his sons are involved with World Liberty Finance, ETH, Cardano, all of that. I think he's doing that for his sons. That's all setting up Don Jr. and Eric. It's all big Trump family thing. So it's not just Bitcoin. Now, Michael Saylor will be at the Crypto Summit on Friday. He's been invited to attend. And you know he is the Bitcoin maximalist extreme. And we'll just be talking about Bitcoin. So it'll be interesting what they're going to talk about. But if the whole tax cut thing comes up, and they're talking tax cuts, that's where we could see some fireworks. You're sharing some Doge with some friends, Greg? Awesome. Trump should have said to Zelensky, we can send you some Doge, right? We'll send you some Dogecoin. Exactly. Double down, bring your DCA down. Exactly. Giveaways are real, Doug. They are. We don't mess around here. It's going to be an interesting week, Blake, and that's why I called it a bumpy road today, because it's going to be up and down, bumpy road. And that's what we got going on right now. And then we'll see what happens on Friday. Yep, Friday could be huge. We're waiting. Have I ever shorted Doge? You know, as much as I'm a trader, the most I do is just swing trade, but I never short Doge. I don't want Doge to go down. Even in a swing trade, I'm like, I really want Doge to keep going up. Shorting Doge, just short something you hate, right? Short XRP or short Solana. I'll do that, but I'm not shorting Dogecoin. Even if I know it can make me money, I won't short Dogecoin. Yeah, Grok is both on X and a separate app. You can do either. We were just asking Grok yesterday some things on X. Grok. Hey, KB. Yep, started a little early today. So I have to end a little early today. You just ordered a Doge hoodie. Awesome. It's very cool. It is very cool. Did somebody say vino? Are we drinking wine? Vino, right? Canada just doesn't have a leg to stand on here. The US is so much bigger than Canada. I mean, if Canada's going to fight, they're going to go into a deep recession. Deep recession. So, no. Yeah, I'm not even trying that, Lucifer. Not even trying it. Yeah, Frank, the community does all those kinds of things. Donation sites, FundMaze, things like that. That has happened before. It's a community-driven coin. So the foundation has it all set up, so you can do that on your own. Anybody who wants to. Oh, The Art of War. Oh, if it's got vino in it, it's got to have wine. Up and down, Anthony. Up and down. Bumpy road. That's what I said. Bumpy road. But we're still here to talk about it. The interesting things are keep building, you know. Keep building. We got to quintuple the likes. We're waiting. We're waiting. Daily dose of Doge. Kind of like that. Although I'm not going to use that term. That's kind of been overdone. I'm seeing no balance message on Coinbase. Because you don't hold assets on your exchange. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. Doge ETF. Bitwise went one step further. I talked about that in the video this morning by working out the ARCA thing with the New York Stock Exchange to be able to trade the ETF. It's a step along the path, but we don't know on the timeline how long it's all going to take. I do not think Bitcoin's going back down to 76K. Doesn't mean it won't. I didn't say never. I said, I don't think. I always have to watch my words now. Because some of you guys, oh, Kriss said it would never do. I never say never, which is the song we played yesterday from Romeo Void. Remember? Never say never. Because you never know. In that song, it was about sleeping together. But you get the point. Dow Jones has been losing ground. Yep. Well, Anthony, I mean, many believe the stocks were way, way, way overbought. S&P, NASDAQ as well. NVIDIA, you know, a nice sell-off. Robinhood, nice sell-off. Needed it. Absolutely. MicroStrategy, although it's coming back today because of this whole Michael Saylor, Bitcoin, you know, crypto summit thing. So MicroStrategy is actually having a really good day today. But I already sold mine last fall. I made great profit on it. Are we pre-ordering Lambos yet? No, SP. We're buying merch. We're buying Kriss merch, Doge merch. That's what we're doing today. Buying Doge merch. Dogecoin logos. Doge. Dogs. Don't you want to get a onesie for your little niece or nephew with a Doge on it? Don't you want to do that? Oh. Shorting Doge is like betting against your favorite team. I know. You can make a little money on it, but it's like, no. In the United States, we are springing forward. Maybe this is the last daylight savings time we ever do. I would wish Congress would pass that, and let's just keep the clocks where they are. Friday, big day. In wine, there is truth. Exactly, Sean. Exactly. I'm not drinking during the stream because we're going out to dinner tonight. So, can we look at the heat map? Bitcoin 76K. It hasn't fallen down to 76 yet, but we will look. I'm sure there are some longs out there, some big longs out there. On the 6 month, yeah, but there are bigger ones even lower. Because we had that dip that came down to 78.4, there's like one line here at about 76.5 that's almost $4.5 billion. Then the big ones, yeah, 75K, 74K, 73K, all of those are billions of dollars of long leverage trades. Is Bitcoin going to go down there to take that out? I think it's going to build too much momentum today or this week. Short term, we have some new leveraged longs here that have millions of dollars all the way down to 83, some big ones here. So again, like I said, it's going to be a bumpy road this week. The manipulation, taking out shorts, taking out longs is going to continue. That's just the way it is. That's crypto trading. Oh, is Coinbase limited right now? Having some problems? Just damn me. Thank you. Appreciate it. Trying to keep it real here. Although some still accuse me of saying things I don't say. But it's all on my channel. All my videos, all my live streams. They're all there. If you want to go into one of my past videos or live streams and you claim I said something, you can clip it out and post it and show me. But nobody ever does that. Chris said, exactly. I need a Bitcoin. Nope, never said that. Oh, actually, I did. My goal was to have one Bitcoin, and I do have one Bitcoin. So I did say that. I know, coins and tokens again. Right, Max? Ryan's at a work meeting, but you have the chat up. Waiting for the giveaway. Oh. Yeah. Coinbase not available to trade at the moment. Did I already talk about Cardano? Yes, I did. In the first 10 minutes, we talked about Charles Hoskinson tweeting out to Elon, saying that he could help Dogecoin. Yeah, we don't need him, but thank you, Charles. Thank you. Create your plan, stick to it. It took 2 years for my plan to play through. The Leafs are your favorite team, and you always bet against them. Well, that might be your first problem, with the Leafs being your favorite team. I only say that because of what the Bruins did to them. What was that, like 7 years ago, 6 years ago? That crazy overtime game? Yep. Yeah, the United States needs to get rid of... We should implement the daylight savings, but then never turn the clocks back. Just leave it. That's what they should do. That's what they should do. I know. We talked about Aave. There was some DeFi thing that got posted. So that was good for Aave. Big pump. I know. Very sad, Charlotte. Some people just don't give live streams likes. I don't know. Maybe they don't want a giveaway. Because I'll do the giveaway. We get to 155. We're at 137. We get to 155 because quintuple is the word of the day. Quintuple. Although if Dogecoin actually quintupled from the price right now, we would just be under $1 because we're just under 20 cents. Opika, I will tell how to join the giveaway once we get to giveaway status. Oh, those likes just jumped up to 149. We are getting close. We are getting close. Yes, DJ, the liquidation heat map. That's what drives crypto trading up and down, is that heat map. I use it all the time, particularly when I'm about to buy or about to sell. And like chances are, that's what happens. There is a Doge heat map, Dr. V. Yes. You go here. This is on CoinGlass. You go into the symbol, and instead of Bitcoin, you click the little down arrow and you go Doge. And then you get a Doge heat map. And there it is. Look at Doge today. Spikes up, takes out all the shorts, comes down, takes out all the longs, and then comes all the way back up and takes out more shorts. And now we're going back down, taking out the longs. And see this yellow line right there at 19.2? 19.2 for Dogecoin. That has a huge target on it. $140,000 long trade right there on at 19.2 or 19.25. Dogecoin is definitely going to hit 19.25. Absolutely, definitely. It's going to take that out. Guaranteed. Might not be in the next hour, but coming soon because there's huge long leverage there to be taken out. That's the way it works. All right. We're going to do a giveaway, guys. We're going to get some green candles going on Doge. And the best way to do it, as we have seen time and time again, is to KrissPax do a Dogecoin giveaway. And guess what? 4 giveaways. That's right. 4 lots of 33 Dogecoin each. You guys know what to do. Put the word Dogecoin in the chat. That's Dogecoin with a capital D. Dogecoin in the chat, and you will be entered for our giveaway. That's all you need to do. Well, of course, being here as well. You need to be here. And then you type Dogecoin in the chat. And that's how you get entered. So here is the word in our giveaway tool, Dogecoin. You type Dogecoin with a capital D. I'm sure those that are just listening in. Hey, Calibeats is here. Hey, Callie. Hey, Callie, are you going to make a video of that new song? I'm just wondering. You have to send me an email. Let me know. Because the video is awesome of the first song. It's awesome. Send me an email. I want to know what's up. And these guys were also looking for an extended version of the All Eyes on Doge song. Because you said you might do that. And they're interested. Anyway, just putting that out there. Just because I saw you were here. Maybe you'll win today. We'll see. Dogecoin, capital D. Now, if you are the winner of one of the Dogecoin draws, in order to collect your Dogecoin, you need to send me an email to chriscrypto@gmail.com and include in your email 2 things. One is your YouTube handle, and the second is your Dogecoin wallet address beginning with the letter D. I only accept Dogecoin wallet addresses that begin with the letter D. If you have some customized thing or something else, I'm not sending Dogecoin there because I don't want the Dogecoin to get lost in the ether. And it's Dogecoin with the letter D because those are only Dogecoin wallets. It helps Dogecoin as well. I am also going to take part in the giveaway today just because it's fun. If I ever win. If I ever win. And then we'll just have another draw. Is how we'll do it. We're going to do 4 drawings today thanks to Hype. Hype, who won yesterday. He's regifting the 33 Doge. So that will be the 4th draw. Will be Hype. The first 3 are all on the back. So actually, no, one of them is still DW, and then 2 of them are Greg. Greg, thank you, sir. Your generosity is awesome. Whoa. Rigged. You know what, Red Bull? I should do that. Maybe on tomorrow's stream. It won't be the word Dogecoin. It'll be the word rigged. We should do that. Bruce is going to win today? Is that what you think, Weather Girl? All right, guys, here we go. Draw number 1. Let's go. For 33 Dogecoin, first draw, and the winner is Tobias. Hey, Tobias. Congratulations, dude. Congratulations. Giveaway 16. We have Tobias. Congratulations. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You will be getting some Dogecoin from me. Please send me your wallet address in the email. You're welcome. This is what Doge is about. Spreading the love of Doge. A lot of people have never received Dogecoin before. I think about half of the people that are receiving Dogecoin through these giveaways have never been given Doge before. Yeah, rigged is going to be the word tomorrow. That's going to be the word of the day. It's going to be rigged. The next winner will be me. And then you'll know it's rigged, right? And then you'll know. All right, let's do it. Drawing number 2. Drawing number 2 for 33 more Doge. Oh, it wasn't me. I saw my name come up already. So it wasn't me. Edgar. Edgar Gomez. You are the winner of the second lot of Doge. Awesome. Congrats. Edgar, are you here? Congratulations, dude. We're going to go and right into our third giveaway. Our third giveaway. Yes, for those just joining, just type Dogecoin in the chat, Dogecoin with a capital D, and you will be entered. If you put Dogecoin in the chat more than once, you still only get one entry. So this is the first place you've ever won anything, Greg? Wow. Edgar's my relative. Sure. All right, draw number 3. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Who's going to win? Andrew, wait, you already won. I think so, right, Andrew? I got to scroll up here. I thought you already won one of these. You can win again. That's all right. We already had somebody win multiple times. Or maybe not. Nope, I don't see you on the list. So you win for the first time. Awesome. Andrew, congratulations. Send me your Dogecoin wallet. Send me the Doge wallet. I was literally just saying I feel like Charlie Brown with the football. And here you are. All right. And now we have a special guest. Pax Cat for the 4th draw. Come on up. Come on up, Pax Cat. Come on. You know what to do. Yeah, he was yelling at the door. All right, drawing number 4. Let's do it. This is from Hype. Thank you for the redraw on the Hype. There's our Pax Cat. Kevin Williams. Kevin. Yes. Kevin. Congratulations. Winner number 4 for today. Kevin, congratulations. Giving away Doge feels so good. First time ever, Kevin. Awesome. Awesome. You saw your name, but it's still rigged. Oh. Pax Cat. We don't need an emoji. He just shows up. He's good. You're a good boy, aren't you, buddy? Huh? Yeah, I know. I know. So that's it for today on the giveaways, guys. Congratulations to the winners. We'll be doing it tomorrow. Keyword tomorrow is going to be rigged. Rigged is the word for tomorrow. Rigged. And look at what Dogecoin did while I was doing the giveaways. What did I say? We need some green. We need some green candles. And look what happened during the giveaway. We get 2 green candles. Happens every stream. You know what that means, right? I just need to do nonstop giveaways. Nonstop giveaways and just have all green candles. Craig, I think we're starting at 4 p.m. tomorrow because we're going to go later to see if we can grab that SpaceX Starship launch. So probably 4 p.m. East Coast time on Wednesday. Exactly, Ryan. 24-hour stream, 1 Doge every minute. Non-stop giveaways. Oh, Nathan. You'll get it. Do only good every day. Exactly, SP. This is the way of Doge. This is the way of Doge. Eternal giveaways. Yes. I know, Pax Cat, right? Tobias, I got you, man. Awesome. Congratulations to the winners. Do only good every day. The Pax Cat now quietly on my lap. I think I need to scoop back just a little bit, give him a little bit of room. There we go. Lucifer. Well, this will definitely be a surprise to those who just left the stream because they think the giveaway is over, right? Right? You're the D9, right, Lucifer? You know what we're going to do? We're going to do another giveaway. We're going to do another giveaway. Thanks to Lucifer. Because Lucifer said I could. So all of you that are still here, get a chance at a bonus giveaway thanks to Lucifer. And if a name comes up and you're not here, we're going to redraw. So If a name comes up and you don't respond in the chat, you don't have to type in Dogecoin again. You're already in the draw. Unless you just joined the stream. And we'll see who gets 33 Dogecoin. Let's go. Let's go. Extra from Lucifer. It wasn't me. I saw mine come up. It's Johan Mena. Johan Mena. Tell us in the chat that you're here and you will get Dogecoin. Tell us in the chat that you are here. I'm guessing it's Johan. Right, Johan isn't here. I know, I almost won myself. That's the key, though, almost. If my name actually comes up, then we know. Then we know. A quintuple giveaway. That is right, Doug. It turned out to be quintuple, the word of the day. Although we're still waiting to see if Johan's still here. I am Johan. Oh, you guys. Too funny. We are all Johan. I identify as Johan. Oh, those are awesome. Awesome. Johan, you got 10 more seconds. And a 9, and an 8, and a 7, and a 6, and a 5, and a 4, and a 3, and a 2, and a 1, and a... we're going to redraw. We're going to redraw. Here we go. We're redrawing. Anthony, so close. Blue Journey. Blue Journey. Are you here? Blue Journey. Congratulations if you're here. Blue Journey. JGK is not Blue Journey. Even PaxCat says so. Only the bots are winning. There's Blue Journey. Yay! Hey, Blue. Congratulations. A quintuple giveaway. Send me your Dogecoin address, Blue Journey, and make sure that your YouTube handle is in the email so I know it's you. From Lucifer. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We will have more fun tomorrow on the giveaway front. Congratulations to everybody on today. I like blue cheese on my burgers. Blue. Congrats all. Blue Journey is an in-law. Yep. All my relatives always win. Sacra Blue. Oh. And look at Doge now. See what happens when I have giveaways? This extra giveaway just pumped Dogecoin back over 20 cents. Look at that. Back over 20 cents. For the love of Doge. For the love of Doge. I control the Dogecoin price. Exactly. It's all on giveaways. Kevin, I think I got you here. Yep. I got you here, dude. Yep. I just need to make sure not to grab that the pyramid, the period after. Oh, you didn't put it. Ends in L. Yep, gotcha. And Andrew, I got you as well. Awesome. Keep going until you win, right, Bruce? Keep going until you win. It'll be tomorrow, Dr. V. Tomorrow, more. Plug, don't put a wallet address. Don't put a wallet address in the chat, please. Nope, tomorrow, Lucifer. I say. So you've got two of yours tomorrow. I did the 5. I know, right, Charlotte? Look at that. Big green candle. Happens every stream. Carolina still wants to win. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. A kid meme coin is an OG? I don't think so, Plug. Good night, Max. If you win, don't accidentally send me all your coins. I always get a chance on MyDoge just to check and make sure. It always gives me a chance to make sure before it actually sends. Look at ETH. What's happening with ETH? Bigger green candle. Nice. I told you guys, right? This is going to come up. It's going to take out more shorts, and then it's going to drop back down, and it's going to take out more leverage longs. This is crypto trading, guys. Up and down. Mm-mm-mm. 24-hour stream. All giveaways. I would love to give you more info on the Doge project, but we're not ready to yet. D&D, exactly. Yes, I'm going to play D&D tonight. My weekly D&D game. No, I never got into D&D. I just can't get there. I'm too much of a realist. I just cannot escape into fantasy like that. And I just can't get there. Up and down like the roller coasters. Yep. And I've had a roller coaster Doge on my thumbnails before too. It's a recurring theme. Up and down. It's a recurring theme. But we do have some movement happening now. Bitcoin. We looked at ETH, Algorand, Solana. Look at Solana's. Big move. So, yeah. Even SHIB is going up a little higher. SHIB's starting to wake up. XRP, there you go. A little higher than it was on the earlier run. And of course, Aave has been going up all day. Up 16% today. Jasmy up. And Bitcoin dominance starting to curl back. Still over 61% for Bitcoin dominance. But for now, all eyes on Doge. See if we get up to 20.2 and over that. I know, right? That's exactly what I say too. F and SHIB. Held on to it too long. Didn't make as much money as I could have. Edgar, I got you. Thank you. I don't think ETH is dead. Leno chat. It has been beaten down bad, no doubt. But I think it'll still go on a run. We're going to a Thai restaurant tonight. Thai food for dinner. Thai food. And no, I don't get the pad Thai. I always get the spicy stuff. So good. So good. Trump is speaking at 9 o'clock East Coast time. That's United States East Coast time. So for you, wherever you are in the world, it's like 3 in the morning. 2 or 3 in the morning for you. Right. Yeah. Can't wait until the stream tomorrow. We hope that the Starship is good for launch tomorrow. That was a bummer. We got so close. We were within 33 seconds of launch. And then I was like, oh, that was tough. Yeah, 9 p.m. East. Yes, thank you, Doug. You did a good buy today, 2K. Nice, Raiden. There'll be other dips. Thai food, so good. So good. Again, yes, Raiden, again. BTC is what is really important right now. Yeah, the Bitcoin is for the most part, but we can have other things go on runs to like Aave today, up over 16% today on Aave because of that DeFi thing. So yeah, it's not all about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's up 2.5%. Cardano is back up 10% today. So not all about Bitcoin. Yeah, they do it at 9 because of the West Coast. Would be 6. So that the West Coast can watch after work. Only Doges at Thai restaurants tonight. Yeah. What are you doing, Cat? Causing trouble. Ugh. Make a Dogecoin giveaway of 2,000 coins and give it to you. Xinjiang? That's not how it works, dude. You're not going to make it. You're not going to make it. You don't get nothing, or you don't get something for nothing. You don't get something for nothing. Yeah. Yeah, the soup with the prawns in it. I never know how to eat the prawns because you have to deshell it and you use your fingers or yeah, too messy. Can't do that. I told you so. Spicy crispy chicken up to the 5. That's hot. That's hot. You know, it gets up that hot and you can't enjoy it. You can't enjoy it. AJ? My most recent buy was 2,000 or 21,470 was my most recent buy. So I now have 421,000 plus a little bit that I bought a couple weeks ago. So maybe 430, somewhere around there is what I own now. About 430,000. We love the papaya salad. So good. We do get that. So good. You need the blue cheese to cool off the spicy chicken. Yes, awesome. Something for nothing unless you cross the border illegal. Right. Well, we're taking care of that now, Bruce. We're taking care of that. Slowly but surely, we are taking care of that. I did all right, Boosted Boys. But again, from 2 years ago, I told you guys what I was doing. I went step by step. I showed you what I was buying. We even bought some together for the channel, which is still there. Yep, that is all still there. I have it right here. And we're just, we did this for the channel. I bought $5,000 worth of Doge and then $5,000 worth of alts. $28,000 now in the total portfolio with the 75,000 Dogecoin. And then all these other alts, some Bitcoin, XRP, Jasmy, Algorand, ETH, Litecoin, Sheeb, Stacks, and Sweet. That's what we got. And I'm giving away the Dogecoin and I'm keeping the alts for me. That was the deal. This portfolio is now almost 2 years old. We did a couple little swaps, like Matic, sold the Matic and bought Stacks. And so the Stacks is down because that was a bad time to buy. But yeah, everything else is here. All good. Later in March, we'll be doing the members only giveaway for the members. My average price is probably around 7 cents. I sold all the 2-cent Doge, so probably 7. Need to get out more. Never had that. Thai food is so good. If you don't like spice, then start with the pad Thai, and then probably go to a curry, and then go for some spice. You work your way up. Drunken Noodles has a little spice to it. Yep. It's very good. I tend to not like so much of the noodles. I like more of like meat and vegetable stuff. So I don't do the pad Thai or drunken noodles anymore because I don't want just a big plate full of noodles. Crispy salt and pepper squid with the Thai sauce. Ah, that sounds good too. Yeah, I'm still here, Max. We did our 5 giveaways. We did 5, quintuple. We did 5 today. Who pulled off the big leverage move? It wasn't David Sachs. Absolutely not. He doesn't need to do that, and nor would he risk that. I don't think he's even a trader like that. Not that kind of leverage. No. But somebody knew what was going on. Somebody knew what was coming. Daylight savings, except for those in Arizona. Yeah. You Arizonans, you just like skip that. You need to be a current member in order to get Dogecoin. Members only, current member. Because the live stream is going to be a members only live stream. And in order to attend the live stream, you have to be a member. Zane got more at 18.5. Nice. Bought on the dip. Greg is going to throw in a special launch day donation. Only those that are still around today are going to know about it. If I get 200 likes, I'm at 185 now. 15 more likes on the stream, guys. 15 more likes on the stream. And there's going to be a special launch day donation tomorrow that only you guys know about. You're taking notes? Peak is not a flop, Anthony. Give it time. Give it time, and it will become unstuck. Unstuck. Oh. Making you hungry? Gonna have to have a late night snack there, Aiden. Yeah, Doug, we have fun here. Lots of things to talk about. Silver spoon dinners. That's okay, Wiley. It's like a once in a week. It's our once a week thing that we do on Tuesdays. I know you don't tell a Thai chef spicy. That will be bad. Insider trading has been going on for a long time in crypto, even stocks too. It happens. It just happens. I suppose you could have them add spice to a pad thai dish, but traditionally it's not that spicy. Yes, it will be this month. Actually, MTB. Actually, I said it. I will make it so. Right? Make it so. If you know what that means, what that reference is from, make it so. Who knows that? Make it so. You can eat the peanut sauce. Oh, RR gets it. Yes. That's right, Picard. You guys got it. You're good. The heat map can be rigged. That's true, Anthony. If people are rigging the heat map, I suppose there could be advantages to doing that. I don't know. I suppose. I never thought of that, actually. Rigging the heat map. I don't know if you can actually order an auto renew. I think you can. I think you just tell them that. You liked me from 2 different accounts. Thank you, Shijan. Giving out the likes. Just need one more. Just need one more like. Hit the like. It's easy. There it is. Greg. Special launch day. Special launch day. Just Am Me became a member of the channel. Thank you for joining the channel. Always, Monica. Always. We have to get away from our devices. No phones on the table. No phones. Right? Gets us out of the house. There's a whole world out there, right? I know some of you are sitting in your mother's basement, but there's a whole world out there. And you got to do something. You live in a multicultural area, food choices. That's great, sci-fi. Awesome. In the long run, the tariffs will be good for crypto. The short term, it's the fear. And that's what I've been talking about since early February. It's the fear that drives the market. And then in the end, crypto will be fine. Tell your friends, be here tomorrow. Share the stream always. Tomorrow we got a double dip. We're doing Doge and we're doing a SpaceX Starship rocket launch. What's up, Jason? Ask for Thai hot. No. Thank you. That was a really good video I made this morning, Jason. That was a good one this morning. I had a lot going on. And then I even had more for the stream tonight. If you go back and you just watch the first 10 minutes of this live stream, that was action-packed as well, with new news that wasn't repeated from this morning's video, except for one little segment that I just had to follow up on. Everything else was new stuff. First 10 minutes of this live stream, new stuff. I know, Max. Totally rando. You watched a lot of Next Generation horror? Yep. I did too. That was a good series. Good series. Yes, it auto renews. Your day will come, Deadshot. Absolutely. I've liked you from 50 different accounts. Yeah. Greg reminds everyone, be here tomorrow for the big rockets. Don't wake my mom up. Yeah, all right, that makes sense. Because YouTube makes money off of it. They take a chunk. Yeah, Dr. V. When the stream is over, just watch the first 10 minutes. That's got the news stuff that I covered. Hype, back from lunch. We gave away your Doge. We gave away your Doge. Who won your Doge? Kevin Williams won your Doge. Kevin Williams won your Doge, and he's very appreciative of that. He says, I've never won anything. So there you go. Never received Dogecoin before. And tonight he's going to be getting some Doge. Yeah, good video this morning. Yes, Greg, every PAX video is worth it. It was a good one today. I was into it this morning. I was into it. And there's a special message in the first 10 minutes as well. Yes, Raiden. The word of the day. Elon should pay me. I know. And so should the Dogecoin Foundation. They should pay me too. Namaste, Rahul. I'm good. Brian Cranston? I've never been compared to him before. When will Doge be 58 cents? That's a rather random number, son. 58 cents. It has not been 58 cents since 2021. So, yeah, I don't know. What time mañana? 4 o'clock. East Coast time. I'll be starting. 4 o'clock. Maybe you should become a member to win the daily rig drawing. Well, if you do become a member, you will definitely be getting Dogecoin from me in the members only giveaway, because that's not a drawing. That's everybody who's a member gets Dogecoin. That's right. Not a drawing. No, if you're a member, you will receive Dogecoin later this month. That is happening. 17 cents again? I'm not counting on it. We got good support down at 18.2. Doesn't mean it won't happen. I didn't say never. Unlikely. Yes. Okay, sweet 4 it is. With rocket ships. Hopefully, everything works tomorrow with SpaceX. I want to see that Starship. A rocket the size of a football field. That's a football field. Stood up. Taking off. That is incredible. and become a member to support as well, as Doug says. Always a good thing. Always good. All right, gang, this is what we got for today. Look, big day tomorrow. We're going to go right through the SpaceX Starship launch. Hopefully everything is A-okay for that. Doge is just, like I said, a bumpy road, up and down. That's what this week is going to be till Friday, I think. Later tonight, Trump is addressing Congress. I don't think he's mentioning crypto. That's not high on the agenda of stuff. It's all going to be about Ukraine and Gaza and Israel. We're going to have the tariff thing, Mexico, Canada. That's all big. We've got the southern border immigration stuff. He's going to talk about that. It'll be interesting what other little things he puts in there. But I think the tariff thing is going to be it on the economy side. We'll see what he says overall now that they are in effect. And we'll see how crypto responds later tonight. So I hope everyone has a great evening or overnight, morning, wherever you are in the world. And I will see you next time.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.